Short hairstyles for thick hair can be both stylish and practical, offering a range of options for those with naturally voluminous locks. One popular choice is the Pixie cut, which is a short and cropped style that highlights the thickness and texture of the hair. This haircut can be customized with layers or bangs to add dimension and frame the face beautifully. Pixie cuts are low maintenance and can be styled in various ways, making them ideal for busy individuals who still want a chic look. Another trendy short hairstyle for thick hair is the bob cut. Bobs come in different lengths, from chin length to shoulder length, and can be styled sleek and straight or with waves and curls for a more playful vibe. This versatile haircut suits various face shapes and allows for easy styling with minimal effort. Adding layers to a bob can help reduce bulkiness and create a lighter, more manageable hairstyle for those with thick hair. For a bold and edgy look, a short undercut hairstyle is a fantastic choice for thick hair. This style features shaved or closely cropped sides and back, with longer hair on top that can be styled in various ways. The contrast between the short sides and the voluminous top creates a dramatic effect, perfect for those who want to make a statement with their hair. Undercut hairstyles can be personalized with designs or patterns shaved into the undercut for a unique touch. If you prefer a softer and more romantic look, consider a short layered haircut for your thick hair. Layers add movement and texture to the hair, making it easier to style and manage. A layered bob or a shaggy pixie cut with layers can enhance the natural volume of thick hair while creating a flattering shape that complements your facial features. This type of haircut also allows for versatility in styling, whether you want a casual tousled look or a polished finish. Short hairstyles for thick hair can also incorporate bangs to add an extra element of style. Blunt bangs or side-swept bangs can complement various short haircuts, adding a touch of sophistication or playfulness depending on the desired look. Bangs can help balance the proportions of the face and highlight your eyes, making them a great addition to short hairstyles for thick hair. In conclusion, short hairstyles for thick hair offer a wide range of options to suit different preferences and lifestyles. Whether you prefer a pixie cut, a bob, an undercut, a layered style, or a haircut with bangs, there are plenty of stylish and manageable choices available. With the right haircut and styling techniques, you can embrace your thick hair's natural volume and texture while looking chic and fashionable.